I am silver, the shiny, beautiful metal. People use me for jewelry coins and puja items. I am pure, I am bright.
Hello.
I am a silver. Look at my glow. Look at my glow. Shiny sparkle wherever I go. Ding, ding, ding. Her shiny so bright that like the
Like the
moon,
The-
that like the night.
Do
Do you know something special about me?
I am
I am
not just beautiful.
not just me beautiful.
I am not just beautiful. I am not just beautiful.
I am not just beautiful.
I am also
I am also strong,
pure and
pure
very
and very
helpful. People love me because
People love me because
I never lost
I never lost
my shine.
my shine.
I kill James.
I kill James.
I clean water.
I clean water.
And I am one of the.
I am one of the.
And I am.
I am.
And kane.
And I am
One of the
one of the
purest
purest
metals
metals
on earth.
on earth.
Wherever I go,
Wherever I go,
I bring shine.
I bring shine.
Wherever I stay,
Wherever I stay,
I bring happiness.
I bring happiness.
Just like me.
Just like me.
Thank you.